Are you disappointed that you don't have this bill in your hand to take with you to China to show that Missouri is ready to make these kind of commitments, to make business better between them?
Yeah, I mean, the state of Missouri last year did, over $935 million of exports to China. I mean, we have a robust relationship there. It's our third largest trading partner. And on the upcoming trade delegation that I'll be leading, the trade trip we'll be leading, we'll be inking agreements to add to those numbers significantly. We're also up this year in that relationship. So we had a solid base. Obviously, additional assets to help that would have been useful. But I think it's important for Missourians to realize that we are already exporting a lot there. We want to continue to make things in the Show Me State that we can export.
Governor, in 2008, when you were running for office, you were critical of your Republican opponent for his votes on China, and now you're going on this Chinese trip touting trade. Has anything changed since that time?
I've always been critical of outsourcing Missouri jobs, the way that and what I mentioned in that, but as far as exporting Missouri products and hiring Missourians to make those products and sell them, I've always been for that. This trip is about doing that, expanding markets for Missouri-made goods, expanding agriculture markets for Missourians, not exporting their jobs, exporting our goods. And that is the exact same position I had before, and one that we are going to move forward with a solid trade trip that adds significant economic advantages to the Show Me State.
Do you think that the ability to cement a China hub in St. Louis has passed by with the failure of the legislative session to pass any incentives?
I look on this as if we're going to continue to use, as our strategic plan said, we're going to continue to use the opportunities for export to continue to grow Missouri's economy. And that's not just China, and that's not just St. Louis. That's around the state and a myriad of products. We were down this morning in Springfield at a company that 20% of their product is exported already. I think it's important for all of us to be world citizens. I think this broadband example is that, where we can communicate with the world. So you're gonna have both opportunities and challenges as you move forward, but the trend line is clearly in the right direction. Up 35% last year in exports from Show Me State, up another 13% this first 2 quarters this year, another $1 billion of trade. I think there's great opportunities for Missouri to be, Missourians to be significantly exporting goods and agricultural products from Show Me State.